So in case you're trying to fix your pixel art very funny or having weird colors, let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing I'll do is to import my art assets. So I'll drag my Skater spreadsheets and drop that into my art assets folder, and I'll maximize Unity. So the first thing I'll do is to just drag this and place it here, and we can see how this looks like. So if we actually zoom in, we can actually see our player here, and our player is quite blurry. Let's fix that. So the first thing we'll do is to click on the Skater sheet itself, and just here where it says the filter mode, let's go ahead and set this to point like so. So let's save our asset, and now we can see we have our asset clear, but these are not the colors I used to create our character. So let's go ahead and still fix the second issue. Now this issue has to do with compression because it's compressing our pixel art. Let's go over here to normal quality and set none and hit apply. And these are the colors I use to create my art. Now, if for some reason this is not working, this is how you can fix this. So go to edit, project settings, and then we'll go over to player, and then under other settings, change this from linear to gamma. Hopefully that fixes your problem and helps you have crisp pixel art. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.